Hi everyone, this is the 110th video of the ACT Math Practice Problem series, and here we have a nice problem from the concept of geometry. As I always recommend, before seeing the solution you can pause the video and give it a try yourself, and after that of course you want to match with my solution. So let's get started. Here the question says, in the figure, the area of the shaded region is which of the following 5 options? So here we have a diagram where you can see there are 4 identical circles, meaning they all have the same radius of 5 centimeter, and they are stacked on top of each other in a symmetrical way, vertically up and down. And then the area enclosed between the 4 circles, which is kind of shaded in the yellow, we have to find out the area of that shaded region. Now to find the area of that shaded region, what we have to do, we have to somehow create another geometrical figure which will kind of enclose that region plus maybe 4 other symmetrical regions. Because there is no such formula to find out the area of a region like this. So now what we can do, let's first identify the centers of these circles, and then if we connect the centers of those circles, then that's going to form a square. Now if you think about this square, the length of each side of the square would be r plus r. Since all 4 circles have the same radius, that means the length of each side of this square would be r plus r, because this is definitely r for the top left circle and this is the r again for the top right circle. And similarly here is another r and another r, and again here is another r, and this is also another r. R means the radius of each of those circles, and here again one r and another r. So now what is the length of each side of this square? Well, that would be 2 times r. R plus r, that will be 2 times r. So the area of this square then would be square of the side length, and in this case the side length is 2 times r, so it would be 2 times r whole squared, and that would be 4 times r squared. And what is r in this case? Well, in this case r is actually 5 centimeters, so this would be 4 times 5 squared centimeter squared, so that would be square centimeter, so we can write it like this. And then that would be actually equal to 25 times 4, that is 100 square centimeter. Now if you look at the diagram, within this square there are 5 different geometrical shapes, right? One shape is the shaded region whose area is yet to be found out, right? And apart from that we have 4 quarters of each of these circles. As you can see, like here is 1 quarter of the circle. Let me use a different color here. Maybe I can use a red color. So this is 1 quarter of the circle right here. So let me do a little bit of shading here with the red color. So that is 1 quarter of a circle, and similarly we have 4 of them, 4 quarters of a circle plus the yellow shaded region. That is the whole area of the square, right? The area of the square has 4 quarters of each of the circles and the yellow shaded region. So then we can say that this must be equal to 4 times 1 quarter area of each of those circles. So 4 times 1/4 of pi times 5 squared, 1 quarter of each of those circles, so that is 4 times 1 quarter of the area of each circle, and then plus the yellow shaded region, right? Let's assume that the area of the yellow shaded region is A, so I'm going to write A like this. That's the area of the yellow shaded region. So 4 quarter circle areas plus the yellow shaded region, that is equal to 100 centimeter square. And then from here we can easily calculate the value of A. So from here we can say, well then A must be equal to 100 minus, and if you see right here, this 4 and this 4, they will cancel each other, so that would be 25 times pi, and if you punch in the numbers in the calculator, this will turn out to be 21.46 square centimeter, and that is our answer. If you look at the answer options, we have 21.46 square centimeter under option J, so option J would be the correct option. I hope everything made sense. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.